Okay, it's Halloween night. We're going into the scary bamboo. We're going to die. But we always want a thrill. Isn't that right, Maddie?
Yeah.
Yeah. Into the bamboo we go! Here we go, Maddie. Stay close. What is that? What is that?
I'm gonna break your guys' legs like...
No!
Well...
It's the scream!
Ow.
No! I can't hear us scream! Maddie, don't leave me! What is that scary hideous thing? Maddie, you made it back! What is this weird woman with you? This old hag! I am not old! Who are you? Maddie, are you okay?
No.
I can't. What happened to you? You're walking me down. What happened to you? Maddie's haunted. She's possessed. The stranger.
I'm here to eat you.
We have to get out of here. Maddie's haunted. She's possessed. And this creepy old hag and that hideous thing. They're leading us to freedom.
I'm offended by that.
They're chasing me!
Who are you?